Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay my loves, we're going to continue with the 10-day DIY Christmas gift ideas. I have here a really super easy quick idea that you can kind of put together at the last minute, and this is going to be a little bag full of chocolates. Now what I did here is I found these little mash bags at the Dollar Tree. You can find them anywhere. The Dollar Tree sells them, Michael sells them, AC Moore, Walmart. You can even get them at Party City. They usually are used to put some favors in them for like weddings and birthdays and all that stuff. So they're not that hard to find. Again, I did see them at the Dollar Tree, and they have pinks and they have blues. I think they also have white for a wedding. Not difficult to find. You're going to stuff these little bags with a whole bunch of different kinds of chocolates in here. I actually stuffed mine with some Christmas chocolates that I found at TJ Maxx. And when I came across these really adorable snowman chocolates, and it only cost $3. They also had different other kinds. They had Santa Claus, they had bells, they had Christmas ornament balls, they had reindeer. They had a whole bunch of different kinds of chocolates. I opted on and I picked the snowman because I think it was just super adorable. It's super cute, and I just really love that little snowman face. So I picked these out. Now, if you can't find any chocolate that's Christmas related, then you can also add in some kisses in here. Reese's, those little Reese's Kisses chocolates will be perfect to add in here. So what I did was I filled this little baggie with these little chocolates. I closed it really well, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a simple tag to our little bag, and that's basically it. So what I have here is this little tag that I created using the Snow Cocoa paper pad, and I added some bells to the little tag. Man, that's basically it. I didn't really do much more of anything. I'm going to show you guys how I created these little mini tags in another video or maybe two, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create these adorable tiny little tags. So I did that, and then I also have this tag that I got at Target, which are also really fun to use. I love this tag. It's one of my favorites from Target. I have so many of them. So we're going to use the combination of these two tags together, okay? So what we're going to do is, let me put you closer, a little bit close to me. We're going to add the little mini tag that we created, and we're going to add it in the side of the Target tag, okay? That's basically it. Now you can hot glue it down if you want, or you can use dimensions. Whatever you want is fine. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some dimensions because I want to give some lift to my little mini tag. So I'm going to use some dimension to my tag. And I love that I put the bells, and that just gives it a really cute, whimsical look to your tag. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And I'm going to do my best not to cover the special delivery. Okay? And I'm going to actually put it a little bit off. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an extra little bell right in this little corner right here. Okay? All right, let's make a little bow here with this extra. Perfect. And now you have yourself a cute little adorable tag. See that? Okay, perfect. We're going to add the tags to our little bag. Okay, so just add the little tag. Make sure it's super tight, that it doesn't fall off anywhere. Perfect. And there you have this adorable little stash. Oh my God, this is so cute. How adorable is that? Super cute. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, you know me, I'm going to add my little bow to my tag. Because you guys know me, I love bows. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see here. I have, maybe we could make a bow out of the twine. Let's see. Or maybe, you know what? Let's make a bow out of this beautiful lace. Okay, make a really fun bow. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to cut out the extra tail. And we're going to add this bow right here in this little corner right here. And there you have it. And now you can literally gift this to someone at the last minute. And it's adorable. It is absolutely adorable. Look how cute this looks, guys. How adorable is this? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Filled with delicious candies or chocolates. In this case, chocolate. You can also put candies if you want. And it's just a really cute gift. You know, it's a last minute gift. You don't have anything else to give to anybody. You totally forgot to, you know, buy extra gifts. This is a perfect way to create something simple and quick in no time. All right, my loves? Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Love you. See you soon.